Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to change your ringtone on iPhone. Okay, first we will go to the App Store. Search for GarageBand and install it. Okay, now we will go to Safari or Google and search for the song we want to have as ringtone. Copy the link of the song and then go to y2mate.com. Paste the link here. Click on Audio. Download in MP3. Once downloaded, we will make sure we have the song on file. Now we will go to GarageBand. We will slide to the right and click on Audio Recorder. Click here. Now here. Automatic. Now click here and you will see that there is a large catalog of songs. We'll have to go to Files, Browse, and here you select the MP3 song you just downloaded. Now take it to the timeline, move it to the top of the timeline and check that it plays. Well, if you want to trim the song so that you can hear a specific part, use the borders at the beginning and at the end of the song.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty.
Now click here. My Songs. Click on My Song. Share. Ringtone. Continue. And here you put the name you want. Export. Now, go to Settings. Sounds and Haptics. Ringtone. And here you select the name that you put to your song. In my case, I put ringtone.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own.
And that's it. If you found this guide useful, leave me a like, a subscription, and a comment. Thanks for watching.